Welcome to YN Academy, your trusted platform for CSS and PMS preparation. Today we shall explore a major essay topic, inflation, poor economic policies or global economic woes. Let us understand this topic from every angle in a clear and simple way. To begin with, let us define inflation. Inflation is the general rise in prices of goods and services over time. As prices rise, the value of money decreases. You buy less with the same amount of money. There are two major types of inflation. Number one, demand pull inflation. When demand is higher than supply. Cost push inflation. When production cost goes up, raising final prices. This essay wants us to answer a question. Is inflation mainly caused by poor government policies or by global issues beyond our control? Your thesis statement could be: in developing countries like Pakistan, inflation is primarily driven by flawed domestic economic policies, though international economic conditions also play a significant role. A well organized essay might look like this. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, what is inflation? Number 3, poor domestic policies causing inflation. Number 4, global economic woes contributing to inflation. Number 5, case study, Pakistan. Number 6, which factor matters more? Number 7, solution, the way forward. Number 8, conclusion. Let's first examine how poor domestic policies cause inflation. Number 1, money printing. When governments print currency without backup, prices rise. Number 2, mismanaged subsidies. Controlling prices artificially can backfire later. Number 3, lack of planning. No focus on agriculture or industrial production causes shortages. Corruption and weak institutions. These weaken financial control and stability. These mistakes create long-term inflationary pressure. Now let us look at global reasons for inflation. Oil shocks. Wars or supply issues raise fuel prices worldwide. Number 2, food crisis. War like Ukraine and climate change reduces supply. Dollar strength. When local currencies weaken against dollar, imports become expensive. Post-pandemic recovery. Global supply chains broke down, demand increased, prices rose. These factors impact all countries, but weaker economies suffer more. Let's apply these ideas to Pakistan. In 2023, Pakistan's inflation hit 38%, the highest in South Asia. Major reasons of this inflation included currency devaluation. Number 2, delay in International Monetary Fund agreements, rising oil and gas prices, political instability, last but not least, global price hikes. This shows a mix of poor policies and external pressure. So, what causes more damage, bad policies or global factor? Answer: poor domestic policies are the main reason because they make economy vulnerable. Global problems just make things worse. Countries like Pakistan with weak planning suffer the most, while stronger economies manage better. To control inflation, governments must take following steps. Number 1, adopt disciplined monetary policy. Don't print excessive money. Number 2, reform taxation. Make the rich pay their share. Number 3, increase exports. Reduce dependency on imports. Number 4, invest in agriculture to ensure food security. Number 5, improve energy policy. Reduce reliance on imported oil. Number 6, strengthen institutions, reduce corruption, and increase transparency. These actions will help stabilize the economy in long run. To conclude, inflation is caused by a combination of external and internal factors. However, poor domestic economic management is primary reason inflation rises uncontrollably. With the right policies and strong institutions, countries can resist even global economic shocks. We hope this lecture helped you understand the inflation as a topic clearly. For more CSS and PMS content, subscribe to YN Academy. Don't forget to like, share and comment if this helped you, and hit the bell icon for updates on our new videos.